don't mind the background sound, but today I am an LCSO officer. Also, welcome back to another video, and yes, we have hit 60 subscribers. Saturday in American timing, I will do the giveaway. Please enjoy. Alright. I'm overranked for... Oh, I forgot my door's locked. Oh, wrong key. I don't want to sell my house. Sorry guys about that. I'm not currently on duty. I mean, I am, but I'm just not in my uniform. But I'll go and get to the office and get my uniform on. Okay, I actually put all my uniform in the bucket. What uniform? There we go, there we go. Yeah, let me just put on properly. My goggles should be. Goggles, headset, remove hat. There we go. I'm just gonna park up properly. I'm gonna give a sign on in. Alright, I am signing in now. Alright, I'm in. Got my office. Got work. Okay, I need that. Okay, and now I'm gonna call myself the family. Oh, it's 55. Which means let's get into it. Right, so this means just turned on the maple. It's a severely slow car. Oh no, crashed out. Get me on this. Oh no. Panic button. It's what you want. Alright, so they have a big guy. Which means, hey guys, I wanted it to be a little play, but it kind of isn't now. Who knows code full game? Yeah, we're both Australian. Let's go see that now. There's that big guy. I'm just gonna into. Why is she so muscle? Okay, you know what? Let's just return to our roleplay. Do we want this car? Nah, we don't want this car, do we? We want the Peddler. We'll head back in the room. Yes. Please, very fast. This is cool. Oh, why you stinking idiot? And also, if this video ever gets 200 views, I want those 200 of you people, if you're not subscribed, to subscribe to my channel. Because every 10 subscribers gets an entry. And do you know what the entry's for? Roblox. Can't give away Roblox when people aren't subscribing. Yeah. Oops, sorry guys. This game keeps me out. Unfortunately, it's on the video lens. I don't like that. I don't like leaving on a very early video. This video probably hasn't even been rolling for, I don't know. I don't know how long this video has been going for. Let me know in the comments if I should do the best hiding spots in Erosi. Because trust me, I've been getting comments of video things. I found that black big guy and shot at him. Oops, this can't so I'm just gonna go fill up here. Because I am racing, obviously. I'll get on some fill up. Alright. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go back on the GoPro. I don't know how units going, so I'm just gonna follow. Oh, that's one. Okay, I'm gonna get this right guys down. Okay. And yes, I have very bad memory on this. This is when the video ends, unfortunately, guys. Like and subscribe for more. But yeah, I'll be doing another video today too. It's if you want to join my Discord. See you all later.